I've been watching these Chinese stocks recently, and it's interesting because they have not made a low since early March. And you have a situation in China where they had a lot of bad news for most of last year. And now we have a government that is in many ways very different than our own. They have been easing on their monetary policy, and they've been taking steps toward supporting their stock market after a long regulatory crackdown. We're starting to see a lot of relative strength. Yesterday, we had the positive news in Didi. And it's interesting because the Chinese stocks are starting to really stabilize here. Some of the Chinese electric car makers, it's made some big moves yesterday. So there seems to be some movement toward these Chinese stocks. And what's interesting about that is you have a part of the market that technology investors liked. A lot of these Chinese tech stocks were tremendous outperformers back in 2020. They've taken a massive haircut. And now we're at a spot where the big American tech stocks are struggling, and these stocks are starting to show some relative strength. From my perspective, there's a potential for some rotation into these Chinese stocks after a long period of weakness.